Hey guys, lxGAMEVIDxl here. I'm just going to show you how to do the A-Train in No Man's Land, as well as known as the Starting on Moon. Is it hard? Could be, but you just keep running the same circle right in here in No Man's Land, or you could just run the circle up here. Now this one is more harder than the one that's over there. Some of you are probably like, how's that harder? Looks easy. It's really not that easy. It's barely get a chance to shoot. So yeah, you just keep doing what I'm doing. Then you backtrack them to here, you shoot. Take them to the over here. Should have a clip, reload, get them over here. And that's how you do this A-Train. And please subscribe for more of my videos and tutorials on glitches and all that kind of stuff.